Exercise 1.4, question number 5. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees centigrade above zero. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees centigrade per hour until midnight, at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees centigrade below zero? What would be the temperature at midnight? Listen students, whenever this type of word problem you are going to do, minimum 4 times you read the question in breaks. Again I am reading, the temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees centigrade. Means you just write it, the temperature of 12 o'clock is 10 degrees centigrade. Then if it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees centigrade per hour until midnight, so it means the decrease rate per hour is equal to 2 degrees centigrade. At what time would the temperature be 8 degrees centigrade below zero, and what would be the temperature at midnight? Means you need to find the time of the when the temperature reduced to 8 degrees centigrade. So now total hours covered up to the midnight from the noon 12 o'clock to the midnight 12 o'clock is 12 hours. Total decrease in temperature is 12 multiplied by 2, because 2 degree is the decrease in temperature, which is equal to 24 degrees centigrade. As it is decreasing, that's why the magnitude 24 degrees centigrade you have to take minus 24 degree centigrade. So temperature at midnight, that is 10 degrees centigrade is the already at the noon time it was there, and minus 24 degree centigrade is decreased from 10 degree centigrade. So the answer is minus 14 degree centigrade. Now you can understand with the mind map that temperature at noon is 10 degrees centigrade. Then see, at midnight it is minus 14 degrees centigrade. After midnight at 11 pm it is again increased 2 degrees centigrade, 12 degrees centigrade. At 10 pm it is minus 10 degrees centigrade. At 9 pm it is minus 8 degrees centigrade. So what time would be the temperature be 8 degrees centigrade below zero? Below zero means minus 8. Negative integers. Below means negative integers. So 8 becomes minus 8 degrees centigrade. Now question number 6. In a class test, plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer, and no marks for not attempting any questions. So first part is for Radhika, scored 20 marks if she has got 12 correct answer. How many questions has she attempted incorrectly? Second, Mohini scores minus 5 marks in this test, though she has got 7 correct answers. How many questions has she attempted incorrectly? So marks awarded for incorrect answer minus 2, correct answer plus not attempt 0. So Radhika scored 20 marks. So correct answer multiply by 3, incorrect answer multiply by minus 2, and not attempt is 0. Then you get the total score. So 12 correct answer multiply by 3 minus 2 incorrect answer multiply by x, because we don't know. And there is no questions here. She attempt all the questions, so no need to do that. Not attempt part is equal to 20 is her score. So 12 times 3 is 36 minus 2x is equal to 20. So 36 minus 20, transpose this 20 to this side, means LHS part, and minus 2x to the RHS part. So 16 is equal to 2x. 16 upon 2 is equal to x. 8 is equal to 16 upon 2 means 8, x is equal to 8, or therefore 8 questions Radhika attempt incorrect.